Bitcoin shocked everyone, but not me. What is next? Hi, welcome to the Mad Crypto Club. My name is Marcus, and let's see the future. Bitcoin is pumping. I called this move a month ago, presented in my previous video, episode 9, Recovery. I also called the move last week on X. The possibility still stands. Pump to 75k, correction to 71k, then expansion. Daily chart shocked everyone. By the time when 20 SMA was preparing to have a bearish cross down to 50 SMA, many traders went short and they got wrecked. This was the biggest daily short liquidation in the history of Bitcoin. Instead of a dump, it was a massive pump, going and closing above 100 SMA and 200 SMA. Even if it's going higher, the retest of the 200 SMA is much likely and needs to hold. That's why going to 75, then retesting or piercing the 200 SMA at around 70k, it's on the table. And it's bullish, and it's better, and sooner the better. The pump invalidated the last descending diagonal trend line. I gave you this move last week on my X account. I analyzed their smaller time frames behavior and I said, Bitcoin, it's time. And I was right. On the macro side, we have the weekly chart. Bitcoin is back above 200 SMA and is back above 21 EMA. The week is not closed, so the things can change. Anyway, to the upper side, we have a nice moving averages confluence. Once Bitcoin will close 2 weeks above this, then all the bears will be paying attention. But that's late for them. I expect FOMO to kick in by that time. This will eventually last many weeks, so to speak like until November, before a sustained weekly corrections. Intra-week corrections and liquidations will be all over the place. Weekly Ichimoku looks promising, but we need later confirmations. Now it's above Tenkan and above Kijun, with Chiku above price candles, and this is bullish. For a full bull reactivation, Bitcoin needs to be above macro Kijun at around 92k. Until then, we'll be in a recovery phase. My bull run indicator is following Bitcoin. While the regime was not even in the red zone, my conclusion still stands. This was not a bear market bottom, was a late cycle correction. The impulse, momentum, and regime are all pointing up. When the regime will be at the midline, then Bitcoin will reach the equilibrium. The cycle top will be done when all these lines will be in the upper side. During the Bitcoin top, this indicator will be not part of my YouTube videos. I will let the market play. What about altcoin season? To speak about that, we need to speak about Bitcoin dominance. My indicator is following Bitcoin dominance, so the green impulse is already below midline from many months, signaling Bitcoin dominance weakness. The orange momentum had a midline cross down in June, exactly when Bitcoin had a correction bottom. That was my signal to buy alts. I will never tell you what to do. I am telling you what my indicator is suggesting. So do what you want. Bitcoin dominance will likely go a bit up and then we'll have the epic decline. All will be concluded when also the regime, red line, will converge at the bottom with the other two lines. during the bottom of the dominance, this indicator will also not be on the YouTube. I will let the market play. The second buy alts confirmation came in mid-June from my other indicator. So guys, I'm saying these things from February, from 6 months already. This is not a bear market bottom, so it's just the longest correction ever, until the next one. Alt season, it's eventually coming soon, and I'm seeing 2027 being epic. Until then, I will try to do more videos, but I will definitely not do 3 videos per week, just to potentially feed my ego. If nothing major happens, less is more, quality not noise, facts not hype. Just my reality with no hype or bias. See you soon. Good luck. This video is not a financial advice. It's just my view about the market, and I am not a financial advisor. The content is for entertainment only. Investing in crypto is having risks. You should do your own research before any investing.